Energetic Portal 2-2. Powerful to raise our consciousness. Dear brothers and sisters, tomorrow Friday, we are going to experience the opening of this energetic portal 2-2, which will remain open until February 22. This is quite a special energy, as it also involves the energy of relationships and partnerships. This portal opens under the sun in the sign of Aquarius, and we will have a waning moon. It is a day where many situations regarding relationships among friends, family, and partners can be observed. Unresolved old conflicts may also arise. The number representing it in the vibration of 2, which are relationships and partnership, and symbolizes man and woman, darkness and light, is a yin-yang. These beliefs come from ancient Egypt, where it was said that the number 2 could expel those evil spirits from any place or space. It also protects us against the evil eye. It is an auspicious day to perform protection rituals. The number 2 is the balance between the forces of yin-yang, of good and evil. It is also a number that brings good luck. The energies of this portal also invite us to work with the desires you have in mind, as it is a sign of your thoughts that you should work in harmony, and that they are aligned with the universe. It's a good day to balance yourself with feminine or masculine energies. Do not forget the energies will be present until February 22. Time to make that transition, that transformation, because the energy of Scorpio in the waning moon of the second day of the portal is an energy of transformation and elimination. Take advantage of these energies to eliminate all the negative in your relationships and strengthen them for good. You can also work with health and well-being. Everything that activates is the work in harmony, balance, and good health. When a portal opens, the energies elevate, and we have to take advantage to express our desires. Besides, we achieve a greater connection with ourselves. In the vast universe of metaphysics, some concepts awaken the deepest mysteries of the cosmos, and these are the monthly energetic portals. Phenomena is believed to open gaps in the fabric of space-time, allowing the flow of cosmic energies into our earthly plane. Since these are universal energies that occur on special dates by numerical vibration, you can connect with the forces of nature to nurture that energetic feminine part. Work with our subtle energies. The vibration of day 2 is one of the most powerful. We will have to elevate our consciousness. Connect with beings of light, have visualization, and more productive manifestation. It will encourage empathy, affections, harmony at home, in the family, if we resonate with these vibrations. We will have 3 important flows of energy from the 2nd until February 22. I wish they help you bring very positive things, abundance, and prosperity to your life. My best wishes of well-being for you in this energetic portal 2-2. A strong, luminous, and solar hug for everyone. I'm Maria Lustig. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.